So the last film I did of these, they weren't very bright. So just to give you an idea, what's on the lid is on the inside. That's how I open another one. What's on the lid is on the inside. Whatever you're looking for. And of course they're all kept in the glass jars. Keep the weather away from them so they don't rust or anything. And then I also keep them in WD-40. I spray them in WD-40. So if I need to go and get one, I'll always just top up WD-40. Shall we try one more in the bottom? Bit brighter this one. Here we are, what's on the lid? It's on the inside, whichever one you want one of them. They're in there. That's how I roll in my workshop, and of course they're all full of stuff.